guys, it's Linda Barr, your Denver North Realtor, and as you can see, we are on site today. We are on the job. You and I are going to go tour some brand new KB home models. They are getting ready to start phase 3. A lot of these models are available. They actually do have one available in phase 2 right now. It is a 2-story, 3-bed, 2.5 bath, 2,282 square foot, 2-car garage. And for phase 3, we are gonna go showcase 2 of the models together. So I'm excited to take you guys on this. I'm gonna try to get some of the neighborhood. You guys can see everything that's all around right up here at the KB homes that are being built at Prairie Center in Brighton, Colorado. So hop in the car, we're already driving, and let's go check out these model homes.